In this video, I'll show you how I turn a sketch into a real art toy using a 3D printer. Here is a rough sketch from my sketchbook. Since it's summertime, I wanted to make a melted ice cream inspired enemy and a little cherry bomb companion. As always, I'll start with tracing over the lines with pen tool. Now I'm roughly coloring the sketch using my favorite color palette. Here, I'm comparing the design with or without the lines and decided to go with this one. It's done. I'll export this and move on with the modeling part in Blender. This time, starting with a cylinder shape. All shapes are roughly done. To shape the arm, I'm using a curve and adjusting it until I find the right position. Then converting the curve into a mesh. Now going back to Affinity to draw the texture. I'll copy the facial details directly from the reference. Now I can apply the texture to the model. As always, starting with color blocking the parts. Done with the texturing. Now I'm adding a cube to make small sprinkles. After placing them around, the ice cream enemy model is done. And here are all the parts ready to be printed. This time they'll be printed in 2 different colors. I had to stop after printing the yellow parts, but the rest of the printing is complete without any problems.
What the dog doing?
All parts are ready for painting. Finished the painting base colors. I printed the details on a sticker paper. Now I'll start with separating them. Then I'll cut each detail and stick them on the related parts. Finished adding all the details and the ice cream enemy art toy is complete. I really liked how it turned out with the sticker details. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.